Snooky's brother.
This is the SR20 DET in my 1995 Nissan 200 SX. The engine has done over 170,000 kilometers, and I recently discovered that the head cover is leaking oil, as you can see here. This issue can easily be fixed by replacing the cover gasket. In order to replace the gasket, 15 nuts around the cover need to be removed in a specific order. Before we can do that, however, a few other items surrounding the cover need to be taken out of the way first. First, the spark plug coils and wires need to be removed. Once the coils are out of the way, all piping and hoses near or attached to the cover should be removed. Now we can finally start removing the nuts holding the cover in the displayed order. I arranged the nuts in the order they came off the cover. This allows me to put them back in exactly the same order after fixing the leak. Under all nuts on the cover you will find these rubber grommets. Make sure not to lose or destroy them. With the cover loose, it can finally be removed. This might take some fiddling near the firewall, but should not be a problem. Once the cover is gone, this is a great opportunity to check your valve train for extreme wear or other causes of concern. After that, the old gasket can be removed from the head. Now you can fit the new spark plug hole gasket to the cover. I also test fit the big cover gasket in order to make sure it will do the job. Afterwards, everything can be installed. Don't forget to add liquid sealer in these 3 spots shown here when doing the final installation. Once the cover is back on, just do everything you did before in reverse, once again following a specific pattern for reinstallation of all nuts on the cover. Also make sure to torque them to specification in order not to damage the rubber grommets and ensure a tight fit of the cover. And that's it. Just like that, the cover should be leak-free again. Thank you for watching and have a great day.